Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. Today I'm not just sharing a drawing, I'm sharing a feeling, a small, simple sketch that carries warmth, comfort, and little bit of love. Sometimes art doesn't need to be perfect, it just need to make someone smile. So let's begin this gentle story behind today's drawing. Once upon a quiet afternoon, there lived a little teddy bear drawn on a blank white page. He was not big or fancy. He didn't have bright color or detailed patterns, but he had something special, a soft smile that made people feel safe. This teddy was worn from calm hand and peaceful mind. Every line was drawn slowly, as if the artist wanted to whisper kindness into the paper. The teddy believed in one simple thing being there. Whenever someone felt tired, whenever the world felt too loud, this teddy appeared with gentle eyes and rosy cheeks, reminding them that it's okay to slow down. He didn't ask questions. He didn't try to fix everything. He simply stayed with a tiny heart floating beside him. He silently said, "You are loved. You are doing your best. And that is enough." Some people looked at him and smiled. Some felt comfort without knowing why. And some found a little piece of peace they didn't even realize they were missing. Because sometimes a small drawing can hold a big emotion, and sometimes a simple teddy can make a quiet friend on a difficult day. And this is the story behind today's drawing. If this little teddy made you feel calm, made you smile, or reminded you to be kind yourself, then this artwork has done its job. Thank you spending your time here with me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.